If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs don't feel as strong as they used to, if getting up from a chair takes a little more effort, if stairs feel steeper than they once did, or if your legs feel tired, heavy, or shaky at night, then stay with me, because what I'm about to share could quietly change the way your body recovers while you sleep. Most people focus on exercises, walking, or stretching for leg strength, but very few people talk about what happens at night when your body actually rebuilds, repairs, and restores itself. And according to Barbara O'Neill's natural health philosophy, nighttime is when the body does its deepest healing work. The right nutrients at the right time can make a noticeable difference, especially after 60. Tonight, I want to walk you through 3 simple nighttime vitamins that support stronger legs, better muscle recovery, and steadier movement as you age. These are not expensive, they're not trendy, and they're often overlooked. And by the end of this video, you may realize why your legs haven't been responding the way you hoped, and what you can do starting tonight. Now, let me say this. Clearly, right from the beginning, this is not about chasing quick fixes or miracle pills. Barbara O'Neill has always emphasized that the body heals best when we work with it, not against it. After 60, the body doesn't respond the same way it did at 30 or 40. Muscle repair slows down, nutrient absorption changes, and nighttime becomes even more important. When you sleep, growth hormone is released, inflammation calms down, and muscles rebuild at a cellular level. But that process only works well if your body has the raw materials it needs. Without them, you can exercise all day and still feel weak, stiff, or unsteady. Let's talk about legs for a moment. Strong legs aren't just about looking fit. They're about independence. They're about balance, confidence, and safety. Strong legs help prevent falls. They make daily tasks easier. They support your heart by improving circulation. And after 60, leg weakness is often not caused by aging alone, but by silent deficiencies that build up over time. Many people are surprised to learn that they're eating enough food, but still not getting enough of the nutrients their muscles and nerves need to function properly. The first nighttime vitamin I want to talk about is magnesium. And if you've heard of magnesium before, you're not alone. But most people don't understand how critical it is for leg strength, especially at night. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation, nerve signaling, and energy production. Without enough magnesium, muscles struggle to contract and relax properly. This is one of the reasons so many people over 60 experience leg cramps. Restless legs, nighttime twitching, or that deep aching feeling in the calves or thighs when they lie down. Barbara O'Neill often explains that magnesium is like the body's natural calming mineral during the day. Calcium helps muscles contract, but at night, magnesium helps them relax and recover. If magnesium levels are low, muscles stay tense, circulation is reduced, and recovery is poor. Over time, this leads to weaker muscles and slower healing. Taking magnesium in the evening supports the body's natural rhythm. It helps muscles let go, improves blood flow to the legs, and allows repair to happen while you sleep. Many people notice that when they support magnesium levels at night, their legs feel less heavy in the morning. Getting out of bed feels easier. There's less stiffness in the knees and ankles. And walking feels more stable. Magnesium also supports nerve health, which is crucial for coordination and balance. After 60, nerve signaling can slow down, making movements feel less smooth. Magnesium helps keep those signals clear and efficient. Now, magnesium is found in foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. But absorption decreases with age, stress, medications, and poor digestion can further reduce magnesium levels. That's why nighttime support becomes so important. Barbara O'Neill often reminds people that minerals work best when taken consistently and gently, not in large, harsh doses. The goal is to nourish, not force. The second nighttime vitamin that plays a powerful role in leg strength after 60 is vitamin D. And this one is absolutely essential. Vitamin D is often thought of as a bone vitamin, but its role in muscle strength is just as important. In fact, low vitamin D levels are strongly linked to muscle weakness, poor balance, and increased risk of falls in older adults. Vitamin D helps muscles respond to signals from the nervous system. Without it, muscles become slower and weaker. No matter how much you try to exercise, Barbara O'Neill frequently talks about the importance of sunshine, but she also acknowledges that many people over 60 simply don't get enough natural sunlight, especially in the evening hours. As we age, the skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D, even when we are outside. This creates a silent deficiency that affects leg strength over time. Vitamin D works closely with calcium and magnesium, helping nutrients move into the muscles where they're needed. At night, vitamin D supports muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle fibers. This is especially important if you've been walking, stretching, or doing light strength exercises during the day. Without enough vitamin D, those efforts don't fully translate into stronger legs. Another reason vitamin D matters at night is its effect on inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is common after 60 and can make muscles feel sore, weak, or slow to recover. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune response, calming unnecessary inflammation so the body can focus on healing. Many people report that when their vitamin D levels improve, their legs feel less achy and more responsive. Now, let's talk about something that often surprises people. Vitamin D also plays a role in sleep quality. Better sleep means better muscle recovery. When sleep improves, the body releases more growth hormone, which directly supports muscle repair. This creates a powerful cycle. Vitamin D supports sleep. Sleep supports recovery, and recovery leads to stronger legs. The third nighttime vitamin I want to share with you is vitamin B12. And this one is absolutely critical for nerve strength, muscle coordination, and energy in the legs. After 60, B12 deficiency becomes extremely common, yet it's rarely talked about. The body needs stomach acid to absorb B12 properly, and as we age, stomach acid production often decreases. This means that even if you're eating foods that contain B12, your body may not be absorbing enough. Vitamin B12 supports the health of the nerves that control your muscles. When B12 is low, signals from the brain to the legs become weak or delayed. This can show up as numbness, tingling, burning sensations, weakness, or a feeling that your legs just don't respond the way they used to. Many people think this is just aging, but in many cases, it's a nutrient issue. Barbara O'Neill often emphasizes that the nervous system is the electrical wiring of the body. If the wiring is weak, the muscles won't perform properly, no matter how strong they are structurally. B12 helps maintain the protective coating around nerves, allowing signals to travel smoothly and efficiently. At night, when the body shifts into repair mode, B12 supports nerve regeneration and energy production. Another important role of B12 is its effect on red blood cell production. Healthy red blood cells carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough B12, oxygen delivery decreases, leading to fatigue and weakness in the legs. This is one of the reasons some people feel tired after short walks or struggle with endurance. Supporting B12 levels helps improve circulation and stamina, making everyday movement easier. Taking B12 in the evening can support overnight nerve repair and help the body wake up feeling more energized. Many people notice that their legs feel more stable and responsive within weeks of improving their B12 status. Again, this isn't about instant results, but about giving the body what it needs consistently. Now, here's something very important. I want you to understand these 3 nighttime vitamins work best together. Magnesium relaxes and restores the muscles. Vitamin D strengthens muscle fibers and reduces inflammation. Vitamin B12 supports nerve signals and oxygen delivery. When all 3 are present, the legs have a much better chance to rebuild overnight. Barbara O'Neill often reminds people that the body is not a collection of separate parts, but a connected system. Supporting one area supports another. That's why nighttime routines matter so much after 60. What you do in the evening sets the stage for how your body feels in the morning. But vitamins alone are not the full picture. They work best when combined with simple habits that support circulation and recovery. Gentle movement during the day, even light walking, helps signal the body to rebuild muscle. Hydration helps nutrients reach the cells. Proper sleep allows repair to happen, and reducing sugar and processed foods helps lower inflammation, making it easier for the body to heal. One thing Barbara O'Neill talks about often is listening to the body. If your legs feel tired, weak, or unsteady, that's not something to ignore. It's a message. The body is asking for support, not punishment. Pushing harder without proper nourishment only leads to frustration and injury. Another key point is consistency. Taking something once or twice won't change much. The body needs steady support over time. Night after night, your muscles and nerves respond to what you give them. Over weeks and months, those small choices add up to noticeable changes. Many people over 60 have been told that weakness is inevitable, that losing strength is just part of aging, but that's not entirely true. While the body does change, it also adapts. When given the right nutrients and care, it can regain strength, stability, and confidence. I've seen so many people surprised by how much better their legs feel when they support their body properly. Let me also say this. Always be mindful of your own health situation. Everyone's body is different. What works beautifully for one person may need adjustment for another. If you're taking medications or have underlying health conditions, it's wise to be informed and thoughtful about any supplements. Barbara O'Neill always emphasizes personal responsibility and education when it comes to health. As we come toward the end of this video, I want you to reflect on how your legs feel right now. Do they feel strong and steady? Or do they feel tired, heavy, or unreliable? The good news is that your body is always listening. Starting tonight, you can begin supporting it in a gentler, smarter way. Nighttime is not just for rest. It's for rebuilding. When you give your body magnesium to relax and repair, vitamin D to strengthen and protect, and vitamin B12 to energize and coordinate, you're working with your body's natural design. You're giving it what it needs to support you as you age. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, take a moment to like it. It really helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you want more natural health insights inspired by Barbara O'Neill's teachings, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Remember, aging doesn't mean giving up strength. It means learning how to support your body in smarter ways. Start tonight, stay consistent, and give your legs the care they deserve. I'll see you in the next video.